everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with this beautiful hair. This voluptuous hair is by the hair company DYHAIR777. If you want to know more about these extensions, then stay tuned. Okay, so this hair is a Malaysian body wave from DYHAIR777. It is a 22-inch, I believe, but you can check it down in the info box to get the details. It is a 360 wig. It's like super natural, as you guys can see. I feel like so festive with these curls, like the holidays can come. I am ready, so ready. I really like them. The hair density is like a 180, or yeah, I think a 180. And it's super natural. It's like not like too full because I have a small head, so I don't want to have like too much hair going on, but I really want it simple and natural looking, and I think this is what this is. I'll show you guys the length. You have to get used to hair this long because I never have hair this long because I always want it to look like as natural as possible. So I keep it like nice and simple. So what I did to this hair mostly is just wash and condition it, and then I straighten it out and put the, like with the curling wand, put like some curls in there, and up until now I really like it. The only downside is that the curls, the hair seems to be like a bit, like it frizzes up easily. Like the curls after a while, in beginning they're fine, but after a while they start like kind of like clumping up, like clumping together, and that's like a downside I noticed. But other than that, the hair is super soft, feels nice, it's so lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on, and yeah, it came pre-plugged. The only thing I did was just bleach the knots, but I feel like I shouldn't have because it was perfectly fine. It was my skin color, everything was perfectly fine and matched, but I bleached it to like kind of like an orangey color, which I did not like so much, so I think next time I'm gonna stay away from the bleach. Yeah, but this is the hair. This is like just a brief short impressions basically. I'll show you guys how it came. It came in this packaging. It says their website, DYHAIR777.com. They have their own website. I'm not sure if they're also on AliExpress. I think so, if they are, but anyway, I'll leave all the links and all the details in the description box so you can go and check it out. So it came in this, and obviously it comes with your eyelashes, and it came like in this little lacy bag. And yeah, so far I like it. I like this hair. I'm never sure if like straight hair suits me, but I don't know, but this is kind of different. So if you guys want to know more, then feel free to check the info box, as I said, and if you have questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box below and ask me anything you want to about this amazing hair from DIY Hair. Thank you so much for this hair. I really like it so far. I'm obviously gonna wear it a couple of weeks and then come back with a hair tutorial of how I maintain it, how I style it, to show you guys what I do with it. But I'm loving this so far. I'm absolutely gonna totally wear this for New Year's Eve because I feel this hair is like just like a bombshell hair. Like, put some curls in, put on your nice little dress for New Year's Eve, and that's it. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I see you in my next video.